Barbie loves learning, and we love making her school supplies. We're going to show you how to make sure Barbie gets to class in style. But first, make sure to show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you like this video. Alright, here we go. School bag. This looks like a plain old dental floss case, but it can be so much more. First, open the case and remove the floss and the spool. Close it back up and paint it with your favorite sparkly nail polish. Let's give this gorgeous bag some pockets. Use an elastic band and cut it to size. Then hot glue the bands to the sides of the backpack. Glue some string or a trimmed shoelace to the back as straps. Now your doll has the coolest backpack ever. It's the perfect size to fit all of her essential school supplies. Book holder. For this, bend a keychain ring open. Then bend open a large paper clip. Measure the paper clip to your miniature book. Bend the rest of the paper clip around the back and clip off any extra. Next, measure the size of the paper clip holder onto a piece of foam sheet. Cut it out and glue it to the bottom of the holder. Then glue the key ring to the back. Add a small piece of foam to the center as well. Barbie now has a new book holder for all of her important textbooks. Awesome! Ruler set. Barbie's also going to need some rulers. Grab a piece of clear plastic. Use a ruler to make the measurements for the Barbie ruler. Snip the smaller pieces with a pair of scissors. Then stick a piece of masking tape to half of the rulers. Cut away any extra tape. Then color in the masking tape with highlighters. Use a Sharpie to make measurement lines on the rulers. Now she'll have no problem with her math homework. Crayons. Whittle down some colored pencils with an X-Acto knife. Pull the colored lead from the pencils. When you've got a bunch, put them in a small container. These will fit nicely in Barbie's backpack. Bow compass. Barbie needs a compass so she can draw perfect circles. For this, you'll need to cut off the top part of a safety pin using wire cutters. Glue a pencil lead to one end of the safety pin. Then wrap a piece of decorative tape around the pencil lead. Your doll can use the point of the safety pin as the anchor when she draws her circles. Pretty cool, right? Toy backpack. We're gonna turn this cute little stuffed animal into a backpack for our dolls. First, cut a small slit at the top and pull out the stuffing. Measure a zipper that's the same color as your furry friend. Cut the zipper to fit. Hot glue the zipper to the inside seam of the opening. Next, get some shoelaces. We're going to turn them into straps. Be sure to measure the length of the straps to your doll to see how long to make them. Cut the ends off and glue the straps to your backpack. Throw in Barbie's school supplies and put the backpack on her back. Barbie is officially ready for class. Lunchbox. We are going to turn this toothbrush holder into a cute little lunchbox. Check it out! All you have to do is put some Barbie-sized food in it and snap it shut. Lunchtime! Easel. Barbie needs an easel for her art class. Let's make one by gluing 2 popsicle sticks together. Grab a smaller stick and glue it on a couple of inches from the bottom of the triangle, making an A. Glue another popsicle stick to the back for stability. Help Barbie paint her masterpiece on a canvas from cardboard. Brushes. But before Barbie can start painting, she's gonna need some paintbrushes. Cut the bristles off of a human-sized paintbrush and apply glue to the ends. Cut the end off of a toothpick. Then glue the bristles to the blunt part of the toothpick. If your paintbrush has a metal bristle holder, cut it out with wire cutters. Then glue it to the end of your toothpick. You can create the same effect with another brush by wrapping a small piece of foil around the part where the toothpick meets the bristles. The paintbrushes are ready for Barbie's artistic expression. Paints. Cut a section from an empty medicine bubble packet. Pull off any loose foil and paint the packet white using acrylic paint. Next, cut several different pieces of modeling clay with an X-Acto knife. Push the clay into the bubbles with a pencil eraser. Barbie's painting palette is complete. She can now go on to become the next Picasso. Globe. To make a globe, let's start by pushing a toothpick into the center of a pencil eraser. Grab your blue Play-Doh and start rolling it into a globe shape. Next, roll out some green Play-Doh for the land. Cut out your continent shapes with an X-Acto knife. You can use a real globe as an example, so you can see what shapes to cut out. Carefully cut the continent shapes out and press them into your globe. Don't forget to add some white polar caps too. Press the toothpick from the stand you made through your globe. Now studying geography will be a breeze. Notebook. Notebooks are so important when you're in class. We can make one for Barbie. It's easy. Fold a piece of paper until it's about this size. Cut it in half and then in half again. These are going to be the pages for her notebook. Measure the pages to a piece of decorative craft paper. Cut out the paper and use it as a template for another piece. Cover the pages with the craft paper. Use a small hole puncher to punch holes in the side for the binding. Bend the wire from a paper clip through to make the binding and trim any extra wire. It looks like a real notebook. Better get to class, Barbie! Magnifier. First, cut out a piece of wire. Fold it in half and twist it. Use a marker to twist the wire into a circle. Twist and make a handle. Then cut away any extra wire. Use the pliers to push down any wire that may be sticking out. Next, grab a piece of clear plastic. Measure the frame to the plastic, then mark it. Cut out the circle and glue it into place in the frame. Next, wrap the handle in foil. Now Barbie can study cute insects or become a detective. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. Catch you later!